Are you worried about the cost of replacing your windows? Trying to figure out what's the best option for your budget? If either of these questions resonates with you, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll go over what you need to know about energy efficient windows. Energy efficient windows. There are a few factors that go into making your windows energy efficient. The frame material, operation, glazing or glass type, and gas fills and spacers affect the efficiency. One way to be sure you're getting an energy efficient window is to look for the ENERGY STAR logo. You can ask the window installer if the windows they sell have an ENERGY STAR rating and what it is. Once you know energy efficient windows are the right choice, you'll want to decide which material is best for your budget and home. So let's go through some of your options, that way you can make an informed decision. Aluminum or metal. Aluminum or metal frames conduct heat faster than other materials. This doesn't make them an efficient insulator. You can reduce the amount of heat flow with a thermal break. They're durable and require very little maintenance. The cost of an aluminum frame is higher than windows that are more energy efficient. There's also a chance condensation will lead to corrosion. Wood windows. Wood frames insulate well, but need a lot of maintenance. They scratch, dent, mold, and warp. You also have to reseal them every other year, and they're vulnerable to termites. Composite windows. Composite frames consist of particle board and engineered wood, sometimes mixed with polymers. They're equal to wood frames in structure and thermal properties, but they're better at resisting moisture and warping. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass frames are stable and you can fill their cavities with insulation. This improves their thermal efficiency. Fiberglass replacement window costs are much higher than vinyl, but they do look more like natural wood. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows consist of PVC with UV stabilizers so the sun's rays don't break down the material. Manufacturers are working to keep the finish from wearing on vinyl frames. Vinyl frames don't need a lot of maintenance. They're moisture resistant and, like fiberglass, you can fill the cavities with insulation. In general, vinyl windows are very affordable and energy efficient. You've got quite a few options for window types, but do you need to replace them this second? Check for the signs. Signs of replacement. Many homeowners try to save money by repairing their windows instead of replacing them. With the cost of new windows as high as $700 each, it's understandable you'd want to try to repair if you can. But replacing your windows is the way to go if you can feel a draft, if your windows leak water, or if you notice condensation or fog on your windows. Other signs are if you have warped window frames or your windows have cracks or other damage. The exception is if you've had your windows replaced and they're under warranty. These signs probably have you thinking, yikes, this could get costly. Let's go over the costs to ease those concerns. Cost. ENERGY STAR reports that the average home saves $126 to $465 a year when replacing single pane windows with energy efficient ones. That number lowers to $27 to $111 a year when you switch from double pane to an energy efficient window. Climate plays a factor as well. In warmer climates, older homes have single pane windows because holding heat wasn't a necessity. If you live in an older home in Texas, switching to energy efficient windows can save you as much as $266 a year. If you have double pane windows and would like to switch to energy efficient ones, you'll save about $90. Either way, depending on how many windows you replace, the windows will pay for themselves in a few years' time. If you're thinking about replacing your windows, there's only one company you should contact. At First Place Windows, we're the highest rated replacement window company in San Antonio. We only sell and install energy efficient windows to save you money and increase your home's value. We also offer siding repair, patio cover installation, and sunroom installation. Contact us today and let us exceed your expectations. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.